Right, now we've got some more word groupings that you can practice. The first one is about the. It's just linked together, A-B, and then the T for the becomes the about. So about the is a good one. This says some other. So instead of having to go some and other, we can actually take the O out and that becomes some other. This is a nice phrase for we have. Now remember, if you do have we actually have to write the have out in full. But when the have is the second word in the phrase, it can just be reduced to the V, which of course says very. So if we have a look, you've got we have, so we would have you have. We could have they have. Even though that also says you very and that very, it doesn't make any sense, so you know that it can be the have. But if it's have we, or if we had have you, then we have to do the full H if it's the first word in the phrase. Okay, we've got a nice phrase here for could be. You can, of course, do could be, but again, reducing it to the B is much better. The same as if we have maybe, makes a much better phrase using the big B. Here we've got the word some people. It also says sample, but the sense of the sentence will let you know what it should be. This is an interesting one. We've got do you like. So instead of doing the LK for the like, we can reduce the like just to the K. So do you like? We could have we would like, they would like. That because the would is disjointed, then you can just join the K to the disjointed W, which is the would. Really good phrase. Means you don't have to write like out in full. We've got that, the, and here we have got what you. Make sure that if it's an OT, like out, which is OT, is different to the W, which is what. Alright, so that could be out followed by DR, that could be outdoor, as opposed to what you. Okay, you had your could be up here, so now you've got might be with the big B. Really good phrase here, you've got most important thing. Now it means instead of going TH-ing in a phrase, the little ing stands for thing. So most important thing, we could have something, nothing, anything. So then we've got most important thing. Really good phrase. Which we have, again, looking at that little have being the second word, which we have. Of course is a good phrase. This one is there is. You can, if you like, just go there is, because we say there's. But if you want to show the IS, you can. Here's your little would be. So if it is we would be, it's disjoint. If it's we will be, we actually move the will so that the WL can sit on the line. You can often get mixed up with will be and would be, and it still makes sense. So the would be is a little W. So you've got your ordinary W, your double W, and then you've got a small w for would, and that becomes would be. So it might be I would be. Another example would be he would be. They would be. So it's a really good phrase to learn. This is a strange one, you'll never forget it. It's on the other hand. Doesn't look anything like on the other hand, but you've got a little O for on, another little O for other, and then you've got a blended H. So it's on the other. That is slightly sloping the A way for your vowel A. That's how you get the hand. So much better than going on the other hand. It's a great phrase. Very good in speed because suddenly you've caught up with the dictation. And the last one again is we are. Remember we talked about we are and you are. Make sure that you can distinguish between them.